Hey, my name is Ricardo Clarke, and I'm a creator of a course called Backend Customer. I wanted to do this video for Dan Henry because of his program, Sold Out Courses. Sold Out Courses really helped me gain clarity on what I need to do to release my program. And a lot of it is not what I thought. So I've took courses before, I took programs before, like different things on marketing and stuff like that, and releasing programs and releasing courses, but the way that he's structured the process, you're almost guaranteed to be successful if you follow it the way that he's laid out for it. And not only that, but you're almost guaranteed to have your students have success as well. And that was really important for me, that I just didn't want to be another guy that had another course, right? And one of the reasons I created, or the main reason I created Backend Customer, was really because I saw a lot of businesses, a lot of entrepreneurs that they were listening to everyone else talk about, okay, get new customers in the door, but once those people are in the door, they didn't really do anything with them. Like, they might send a half-ass offer, you know, once in a while, or like a sale or something like that, but you really have to do more to nurture, build a relationship with your existing audience, and that will in turn help you grow your business. It's not rocket science, but not a lot of people do it, not a lot of people talk about it, and that was kind of the reason for me to want to create my program. And I've tried to launch it before and it just didn't feel right, and with Dan's process, I'm 100% confident that this program will be successful, just in the way he has you set up the different phases before you even launch. Let that sink in for a second. Before you even launch, I'll know that my program is going to be successful, and it's not what you think. So if you're on the fence, pick it up before he raises the price and kind of realizes what he's given. Then hopefully when I hit 20K, you'll come out to Jamaica, you, Halal, Bruce, and we could enjoy some nice weather. I mean, I know you live in Florida and all, but still not Jamaica. But anyway, thank you, I appreciate you. And like I said, look forward to another video after I release my course and show you some numbers. All right, cool. Peace.